class method underscore instance check underscore does not work. I am using Python 2.7.3 on Windows. I tried to override the underscore instance check underscore magic method as a class method, but I cannot make it work. I assumed the first print statement would get true, but it seems the magic method underscore instance check underscore is not called. And I don't know why the second print statement can work since the instance should take a class / type as the second parameter. Does anyone know what the problem is? Thanks.
Instance check must be defined in a meta class. Why is that? For the same reason why your second example worked. When Python evaluates instance A, B, it assumes B to be an object, looks for its class and calls underscore instance check underscore on that class. But when B is a class itself, then its class C should be a class of a class, in other words, a meta class.
The docs say. Note that these methods are looked up on the type, metaclass, of a class. They cannot be defined as class methods in the actual class. This is consistent with the lookup of special methods that are called on instances, only in this case the instance is itself a class. This URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.